Hi, this is Phil Livingston from Precision Camera in Austin, Texas, and I'm here with one of our longest and best customers, Paul Godwin, local Austinite and local businessman and avid photographer. Paul's bought a lot of gear here and taken a bunch of our classes and workshops. But today's a special day. We're unboxing the first Nikon D6s that were delivered today. And Paul was one of the first customers to put a deposit down and is about to take delivery. I promise you that Paul has not touched the camera yet. He's going to open it up here for you all. But as most of you probably know, the D6 is Nikon's flagship pro top-of-the-line camera. It's an incredible camera in a long line of famous cameras, especially in the world of sports photography. It's got a full frame 20.8 CMOS sensor. It shoots at 14 frames per second, up from 12 with the D5. And it's got an amazing ISO range of ISO 100 to ISO 102,400. It shoots in 4K at 30, 25, and 24 frames per second. And it's got built-in GPS, which is cool, and obviously we'll put metadata tag on each file as to exactly where it's shot. I've seen some cool work done by photographers that tracks where all their photography was done using the GPS function of cameras these days. The D6 has got dual compact flash express slots, and it'll take the CF Express card and it'll take the XQD card, giving it a huge capacity and a backup capacity. One of the biggest innovations with the D6 is the focusing system, a much improved focusing system. Apparently, the ability to track objects that are coming at you very fast is really tremendous, and it's got 17 kind of custom, not kind of, but custom groups, area tracking. Those of you that use Nikon, you know that they have these group focus mechanisms, and that they now have 17 different configured, basically artificial intelligence kind of things for different situations. That's incredible. It's got the new Speed 6 processor in it, and as most of you know, there's the sensor and the actual microprocessor that takes the films and converts them to photo files and drives the focusing mechanisms. And this has got the latest and most improved processor, the Speed 6 processor. That's about it. The one other feature I was going to bring up, two other features really that I was going to bring up. Really great long exposure mode. Now you don't have to set a timer. I think you can set up to 600 seconds. No, I think it's 900 seconds. You can set just with the camera. You can let it roll for up to 900 seconds. We'll look to see if it was 900 minutes, but it's 900 seconds. So those are set in the camera, no more off camera timing. And the other feature that's cool is this camera, and Robert Backman, many of you know Robert Backman here at Precision Camera. Robert Backman said you could nail a nail in the wall with this camera. It's made so tough and strong with its magnesium alloy construction. He said you could nail a nail in the wall and then take a picture of it with this camera. And it's got pro-grade weather sealing, which is very important to a lot of really good shooters too. So those are the key. It's an exciting release of a flagship product of a great camera company, and so we're all excited. Paul, you ought to start opening up, and you can talk about what you know about it or what you're shooting lately.
I'm excited. I'm excited to get to shoot it and try it out. I wanted to see just what I've had a D5 before, and wanted to move up to the D6 because of the focus that they have really improved on the autofocus on it, and that's something that I'm anxious to try. Plus, I'll also purchase from you one of the Nikon 120 to 300 2.8 lens, and with that and this camera, shooting sports photography is what it's all about with this. I'm really excited to get to try it out and see how it does. But, oh yeah,
That
that's
sounds
nice.
like the ultimate setup. The D6 and the 120 to 300
2.8.
2.8.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, 2 slots. And,
Show them the back.
Yeah,
Show
yeah.
the camera the two
Yeah, that's
slots there on
nice.
the back.
yeah.
I know it also has a Wi-Fi attachment.
Oh, yeah,
it's got Wi-Fi built into it, as all the cameras do now, but they've got a special kind of more secure, stronger Wi-Fi attachment that sits
Right.
on the side of the camera.
Yeah.
So,
Well, that ought to be an easy serial number to remember, right there.
what do you got? Oh, yeah.
3,333.
That's
All right.
cool.
That is very nice. I'm
How
excited.
heavy is it? Is it pretty
It's
reasonable?
very similar to the D5 in size and weight and everything. The layout is much the same. And
It's got a beautiful screen on the back of it.
Yeah.
Pretty good
Yep.
size screen.
Yep.
That's touch screen too.
yeah,
I know it also does. I like to use on my D850. They got the live view and then the silent
yes,
shooting.
Right.
I like a lot,
right.
especially if you're at a school event or a performing arts event.
Yeah.
So
And then it has the single
Different,
high speed.
yeah.
Yep.
yeah, it's got the
Little
rear
different on
wheel and the
this.
front wheel,
Right.
just like all us Nikon shooters are
Right.
in love with that configuration.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
The mode.
It's got three function buttons on the front. Is that what that is? It's got.
Yeah, it's VP, FN1, and FN2.
Oh, so it's got preview button and then,
and then
two
the
function
two function buttons.
Uh-huh.
Right.
And the focusing control in the same spot that
Right.
we're used to.
Autofocus right there.
What about the battery compartment? Open up the battery compartment real quick.
All right, and the battery's down here.
I'm kind of curious with the. It's got to be a pretty strong. I know
There
you
you
can get. Oh, you trust me? Oh, that's scary. You sure you want to trust me with this? That's got a beautiful feel to it.
It does.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so it's got that bigger battery. I forget what
Right.
the name of that battery is, but it's a special that drives, that enables that fast shooting. Yeah.
Yeah, the
EL18. EL18C.
C.
Cool.
Right.
All right. Well, congratulations.
Oh.
And we're looking forward to you taking some great shots and sharing them here with us at Precision Camera.
I will
And,
be doing that.
It is such a great hobby and a great passion that we all share here. So thank you, Nikon,
Yes.
for getting us a good allotment. We've got some happy customers picking up their cameras this week. And thank you, all of you, for signing in. Thank you, Paul, as always, for being a great
Thank
customer.
you, Phil, for getting this for us. I
Thank you
appreciate
enough.
that.
All right.
Thank you.
Question, are we going to have a demo model installed?
We are not, we're not going to have a demo initially. I know that we're having our expo in June. Our expo, you're the first to know probably, our expo is going to be June 19th and 20th. We'll have a Nikon rep here. I'm sure they'll have a demo model on June 19th and 20th, but we probably won't have a display model here initially.
Well, I'll come to
Oh,
it.
will you?
I'll bring mine. You look at it then.
Yeah, we could arrange for an appointment. Paul could charge $50 for.
No, I'll just come in and let the people see it.
Okay, cool. What else? Anything else, Casey? Any other questions, comments? That's great. All right. Well, it's an exciting time in photography. Enjoy your passion out there. I hope you have a great time with your camera and work your way up to a D6 at some point. Thank you.